Let's talk about AI. What is AI? AI stands for Artificial Intelligence, which is a field of computer science and engineering that aims to create intelligent machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as understanding natural language, recognizing images, making decisions, and learning from experience. Today, AI is commonly used for development of systems such as speech recognition or image classification. The field of AI is rapidly advancing and has many real-world applications, including voice assistants, autonomous vehicles, medical diagnosis, fraud detection, and many more. AI is enabled by several key technologies, including machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. While AI has the potential to revolutionize many industries and improve our lives, there are also concerns around its impact on employment, privacy, and safety, which are important issues that must be addressed as the field continues to develop. What is reinforcement learning? Reinforcement learning is a type of machine learning where an agent learns to interact with an environment by taking actions and receiving rewards or penalties based on its actions. The goal of the agent is to learn how to maximize its cumulative reward over time. In reinforcement learning, the agent is not explicitly told which actions to take, but rather it learns through trial and error by exploring the environment and learning from the feedback it receives. The agent takes actions based on its current state, and the environment responds with a reward or penalty signal based on the action taken. The agent then uses this feedback to adjust its future actions to try and maximize its cumulative reward. Reinforcement learning is used in many applications, including robotics, game playing, recommendation systems, and more. It has produced impressive results, including DeepMind's AlphaGo system that defeated the world champion at the game of Go, and OpenAI's Dota 2 system that defeated professional players in the popular video game. However, reinforcement learning can also be challenging to implement, as it requires careful balancing of exploration and exploitation, as well as dealing with delayed rewards and other complexities of the environment. What is OpenAI? OpenAI is an artificial intelligence research laboratory consisting of engineers and researchers who are working to advance the field of AI in a responsible and ethical manner. OpenAI was founded in 2015 by a group of technology industry leaders, including Elon Musk and some other well-known personnels. The organization is focused on developing and promoting friendly AI that benefits humanity as a whole. OpenAI is known for its research in natural language processing, reinforcement learning, robotics, computer vision, and other areas of AI. It has produced several state-of-the-art language models, including GPT-3, which is one of the largest and most powerful language models to date. The organization has also published research papers, released open-source software, and created educational resources to help advance the field of AI. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my future videos.